التدريب كدوز في واحد الجو اللي هو مزيان، كلشي موتيفي، كلشي كيتسنى المقابله الاولى باش ندخلوا لهاد الكومبيتيسيون بواحد الرغبه عاليه باش تفرحوا الشعب المغربي ان شاء الله. كنظن ان الجمهور المغربي ما محتاجش نوصيو ولا نقولوا ليه باش يشجعنا، فهو ديما كان تيكون مورا المنتخب الوطني، وكنتمناو حتى في هذا الكومبيتيسيون يكون مورانا باش نقدروا نفرحوا ان شاء الله.
Yeah, alhamdulillah, the atmosphere is very good, like always. It's very hot, but we knew that. We train very hard to be ready for the games. We know it will be. Everybody knows the Cannes is not easy, so inshallah, our goal is clear. We want to make the people happy. We are not here for ourselves. We are here for our country, for Maghreb, to make everybody proud. So that's our goal, inshallah. Yeah. I want to say to the fans, we promise them to give everything. We are here, inshallah, for the max. So that's the only thing what I can say about that. We will give everything, and inshallah, it will be something special, like it was in the World Cup. Even better, inshallah, because you know what it means. So that's the thing what I can say.